Hi, I'm Bhadri Suthar, co-founder for The Grid Architects.
Hi, I'm Snehal Suthar, co-founder of The Grid Architects.
We are a multidisciplinary design firm. We are into architecture and all types of interiors. We were established about 15 years back and we are based in Ahmedabad. We do projects across India and Africa.
There were three families living in the same house. Now they want three separate living spaces for each family, and they were emotionally so attached to each other. So our challenge was how to connect them emotionally as well as visually. Plot is located near the Science City. It is densely populated area in Ahmedabad, and the plot area is around 35,000 square feet. It is a rectangular in shape. This is the north. So we were proposing 3 units in this plot. So we tried different placements in the same plot. Then eventually we end up with a simple solution. We just drew a line like this, and we placed 3 units on it like this. So by placing the units like this, so one unit is facing west, another unit is facing east, and at the same time the center unit is facing north. By placing the line which we have drew here, that has become a passage, a connecting passage later on when we design the internal spaces of each house. This is the entrance foyer, which is double heighted. Through this entrance foyer, you enter into the vestibule. A nice eastern and western light is coming into the vestibule. From this vestibule, you go inside, you will come into the passage. So this passage will take you to the kitchen dining. At the same time, on the left side of it, we have a double heighted puja room. Taken a light from the sky which is flushing the backside of the wall, which we have kept in exposed brickwork so that we can reduce the intensity of light as well as heat. That connects the bedroom also at the ground floor. Opposite to the puja room, we have a double heighted living room which is connected to the central courtyard, and by giving the double heighted glazing, we can even see the sky, which was very important for us to have a connection with landscape as well as sky, and at the same time water also. So from this living room, when you go further inside, there is a kitchen, dining and extended patio which is again surrounded by the water bodies and which is overlooking the central courtyard also. The same passage which was on the ground floor, that is on the first floor, that passage is connected to all 3 bedrooms. Since this bedroom is little bit backside, so we didn't have the vision to the courtyard. So what we did, we created a nice bridge, overlooking bridge. So if this is the foyer, we made a bridge like this, and this is the main entry. So when you come on the bridge, one can see the entrance foyer. At the same time, they can see the central courtyard which we have proposed. So this is the master bedroom. In master bedroom, we have kept the interior very simple. This is the exposed RCC wall. Actually, it is a structural member of the building, but we have used it as a backdrop of the bed. Bedroom is connected to the walk-in closet with the attached toilet. In this corner, we have given a study table, and bedroom is again connected to a balcony which is connected to the central courtyard. To protect the inside spaces from the harsh sunlight of Ahmedabad, we proposed a screen. So that is how we end up with the name Screen House. We worked for different type of screens, but eventually we concluded with this more simplistic solution by having a vertical louvers. So to install the louvers, we proposed girder frames, and on those girder frames we introduced this screen which will filter the light as well as heat our connection to the sky from inside will be uninterrupted. During the installation of the louvers, we saw a nice shadow falling on the surface of the wall. So that really inspired us. But after seeing the shadow, we redesigned the door and we extruded those impressions which were falling on the door and we designed the door. Material palette is very simple, very basic. We have used exposed concrete, along with we have used wood and we have used natural stones.
We wanted the landscape to flow with the architectural narrative. Over a period of time, the building grows older and nature takes over. The C-shaped passage on which the 3 units are placed is connected by planned landscape and water bodies. The local species of plants were selected to encourage biodiversity, and the water bodies are brimming with koi fish and insect repellent plants. It was surrounded by insect repellent plants. Thus, it developed its own ecosystem. I would like to thank Team The Grid, all the laborers and the agencies on site. I would also like to thank the client, Mr. Arvind Bhai Patel, and we really had a wonderful time designing your house.